Dito kami today sa Makati and may na-discover kami Korean stylist or Korean salon. It's Salon A by Aaron Professional Hair. Yan. So, dito na yung sister ko sa loob. Yung mga prices nila is haircut is 500 for men. Pag may stylist, 1,000. So, for Manila, very reasonable yung prices niya. May digital perm, rebonding, may manicure, mani-pedi din sila. And eyelash, hair spa. So, you can reserve and they're open. 5 o'clock na ngayon but they're still open. Nagpa-reserve kami kahapon kasi madaming na-notice ko, mabait sila. They're very attentive to our needs and marami sa mga filters pala baby force. Age smile. Kulot kasi talaga. Ang sigilan mo na. Sabay sila ni ma'am niya. Diba? Buti malapit lang to sa Magki-keratin shampoo. Ako na. It's my turn. Mahirap kasi UV light. Tinatanggal na daw yung masamang spirito sa buhok mo.
Hindi naman ba ko? Gusto ko na kasi ko pagdaga hinatak mo ganun ko. Gusto na lang siya. Mabait pa naman ako sa ano. Sa tagal ko ito. Vlog ni Mata.
Diba? Ayan, diba? Kunwari demure daw siya. May flower shop. It's also a flower shop. That's great. Then you can just, that's nice. You also know. So if you go here, they also have a flower shop at the back. In the salon, they also have a flower shop, so that's nice. You can just go here. Hi, darling. What's your name? Yana. You smile, gawin. Si Rich parang. Your mom, tino. Dylan, look at your mom. It's like she has superpowers, like Goku. Like, look at her hair. It's like Diba? So, hi! Look. I'll be posting it on. Hi! You're going to be. Ayan, para rin yan. Nagpo-form na yung ano. Mas lalo kung ano. Oo nga. Mas umano yung kulay. Nagpantay na siya. Yan yung color. Oo nga. Ang ganda ng color ng hair mo sa likod. Oh. Same results. After my keratin. Oh. Huwag mo munang pag-isipan yung mga trabaho mo. Hindi ka man. Dylan, what are you doing? Dylan, hey! What is that? Hello guys! Pagkatapos namin magpa-salon. Diba? Tapos na kami magpa-haircut. Eh, nakakatuwa yung salon kasi even gave us flowers. Tapos pupunta kami sa gitna sa walk doon tapos maghala kami tayo magluto. And apart from the flowers, they also gave us hand perfume from Portugal. So, we really enjoyed it. So, thank you Salon A.